Hello guys, this is my bitter gourd seedlings. We have also here, this is look like with the bitter gourd seedlings. Then we have also here like that. So this is the one that I transplanted not long ago, and that one, that's the bitter gourd seedlings. And now I will show you how they grow. So this is the one when they grow. This is the bitter gourd plants, this one, and then that one. So this is the plants look like. Yep. Thank you for watching, guys.